The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is Dancehall. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now viewers and subscribers, every now and then, you know, I see some video out on social media that shows a person's doing some things that they really should not do. You know what I mean? Because these things that they do, you know, probably get themselves into trouble with the law or even other kinds of troubles as well. Is what I'm saying to you? Yeah, these things that sometimes persons do out there, they might do it out of anger or not, but however, it's dangerous. And I'm talking about a video that is out on social media where it is said that a vehicle is being repossessed, right? And this video shows of a person smashing the vehicle, like destroying the vehicle, smashing glass and all these things, viewers and subscribers. Whether it's a divorce settlement or someone gave you the vehicle and taking it back, or it's money you owe to the dealership, you know, like car dealership or so on, you know, whether it's one of those things, you know what I mean, you should not reach to the point where you're going to destroy the vehicle and all these things, because you can get into trouble. You know, it all depends on the person that owned the vehicle. If the person that owned the vehicle is going to press charges. Now, I am not here to judge the person that is seen in the video smashing the vehicle. No, I am not, because sometimes persons fall on hard times. You know, things can be difficult sometimes, you know, financially. But however, I am just pointing it out that smashing a vehicle that is being repossessed from you is not something that you should do. You should not do that, because it can get you into trouble. Alright? Yeah. Alright. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to show you the video right about now, and you can let me know what you think about what you have seen in the video. But before I show you this video, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Observe.
Hey, just don't let nobody in that truck. You done. Oh, she got good insurance and towed my truck up.
Go get me a bag at the house and get out my stuff. Go get me a trash bag, son.
Daryl, get by the driver's side door. Let nobody near my truck.
Go get me a trash bag. Let me have the shit.
That's when I told him to call you. I told you it was going to be like this.
Like I say, getting in the middle of a repo.
I know you're not supposed to,
we
but
can't get in the
I don't
middle
want her
of a
to come
repo,
out and run nobody over. You see how she act. That's the reason I called you. For acting like that.
Just wait till about 7 o'clock.
I thought.
He wouldn't let me out.
Huh? Oh, she going to jail. It's a lawsuit. How long till the city gets here? She turns on me, I'm gonna put her in the morgue. Trying to tell you.